Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. It's that time of the year, Super Bowl, and you know what that means. Time to tailgate. Congratulations to the Cincinnati Bengals and the Los Angeles Rams. It's going to be an amazing game. Who y'all rooting for? Let me know down below in the comment section. It's the final recipe of my idol, Kardea Brown. So today I'm going to make a magnificent dip that everybody's going to enjoy and they will go back for seconds. We're going to make onion dip. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And we're going to use 5 different types of onions. It's going to be yummy. And you can also serve this dip at any party. Baby shower, birthday party, get together, or any special event. Hope you like it and enjoy it, Cousin Kardea. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Super Bowl Game Day recipes playlist and my previous video, Cast Iron Skillet Cornbread. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your sour cream, your cream cheese, and dice up those onions, sugar, because we're about to make some 5 onion dip magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, over here I have my 5 onions. I'm using 3 green onions, 1 medium red onion, and Kardea uses white onion, but I'm going to use shallots. Use 2 medium-sized shallots, 1 medium sweet Vidalia onion, and chives. And the chives is going to be for the creamy sauce that we're going to make later. So I'm going to peel them and dice them. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the onions and chives aside while we work on the cream sauce. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup of real mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons of the chopped chives. Going to whisk all this together until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, now we're going to set this aside while we cook our onions. In my skillet, I got the fire over medium heat. I add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we're going to add in our diced onions. And into our onions, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of packed light brown sugar. Going to give it a quick stir. Y'all hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Alrighty, so we're going to let the onions fry until they're translucent, about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright my friends, our onions is nice and translucent. Nothing like the smell of onions cooking. They're nice and soft. And you see what the brown sugar did? It sweat up the onions. See all that liquid? Alright, that looks great. So now to our onions. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And Kardea used rice wine vinegar. But I'm going to use apple cider vinegar, about 3 tablespoons. Give this a stir. And we're going to let the onions continue to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until they turn into a caramel color. Alright my friends, our onions is nice and caramelized. There's one more ingredient we got to add to it. We're going to add in 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that let come to room temperature. So we're going to stir this in until the cream cheese melts, and then I'm going to remove it from the heat and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our cream cheese has melted into the onions. Now we're ready to pour it into our sour cream filling. and stir this in until it's well combined. Don't this look good? And what I like about it, you don't have to add any seasoning because your Worcestershire sauce and chives and the appetizer vinegar have all the seasonings. Alrighty, my friends, our dip is ready to go. Now we're ready to pour it into our baking dish. We're going to pour it in a 9 by 13 inch ungreased baking dish. Alright, my friends, so now I'm going to shake it so it can be even, have a nice even layer. Alright, and there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. We're going to sprinkle on a half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese right on top. Give us a nice cheesy crust. Alright, Mr. Onion Dip, you ready to go to the oven? Nice and hot and waiting for you. We're going to put it in the preheated 400 degree oven and we're going to let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's bubbly and the cheese is brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. 5 onion dip. Doesn't that look good? It smells heavily. Look at the cheese. It's melted. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. So now we're going to let this cool for a few minutes and then we'll give it a taste. My friends, look at this beautiful bowl of onion dip. And I'm serving it with some crostini. I'll put a recipe to that down below in the description box. Or you can serve it with Ritz crackers, saltine crackers, tortilla chips, celery, carrots, whatever your heart desired. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Touchdown. Creamy and flavorful. It's cheesy. I can taste all the onions. Cousin Kardea, this is fantastic. This is super tasty, my friend. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Onion dip-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. And happy Super Bowl.